Are you ready to torch fat, boost your energy, and feel amazing? All from the comfort of your home? And guess what? You don't need any fancy equipment or hours at the gym, just 10 minutes of your time. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a beginner-friendly workout that will transform your fitness journey. Let's jump right in. I know what it feels like to start from zero. A few years ago, I struggled with getting into shape because it all felt so overwhelming. Too many options, too much equipment, and no time. But everything changed when I discovered the power of simple, effective, and quick home workouts. If I can do it, so can you. Today, we'll go through a 10-minute workout that's perfect for beginners. It's a mix of cardio and bodyweight exercises designed to burn fat and get your heart rate up. Here's how it works. 5 exercises, 40 seconds each, 20 seconds rest in between. All you need is a little space, a water bottle, and your determination. Let's start with jumping jacks. It's a classic for a reason. It gets your whole body moving and warms you up. Keep your core engaged and don't forget to breathe. Take a deep breath and grab some water if you need to. We're just getting started. Next up, bodyweight squats. This will target your legs and glutes while keeping your heart rate up. Lower yourself down like you're sitting in a chair, then come back up. Go at your own pace. You're doing amazing. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Time to pick up the intensity with high knees. Run in place, bringing your knees as high as you can. If this feels too intense, slow it down to a march. Keep going. You've got this. Feel that burn? That's your body getting stronger. Shake it off and get ready for the next move. Let's hit those upper body muscles with push-ups. If regular push-ups are too tough, drop to your knees. Keep your core tight and lower your body with control. Every rep counts. Push-ups are a challenge, but they build strength fast. You're halfway there. Finally, we're going to end with a plank. This move works your core, shoulders, and even your legs. Hold your body in a straight line. And don't forget to breathe. Awesome work. That was your last exercise. Let's cool down. Take a moment to stretch your arms, legs, and back. This helps reduce soreness and improves flexibility. Let's reach for our toes. Stretch those arms overhead and twist gently side to side. Doesn't that feel amazing? Congratulations. You just completed a 10-minute fat-burning workout. Remember, the journey to fitness starts with small, consistent steps. If you keep showing up every day, even for just 10 minutes, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. And the best part? This is just the beginning. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness content. Let's keep crushing those goals together. Comment below and let me know how you feel after this workout. What's your next fitness goal? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay fit, stay positive, and keep moving forward.